So we're entering again Copenhagen. Tama ba? Is that correct? Kaso, Copenhagen. Grabe ang weather. Ang syangit ng weather. Grabe ulan and hangin. And the traffic jam here near Copenhagen. Tama ba?
I don't know, Mommy. I don't know how to say Copenhagen.
Copenhagen. We're going back to Denmark today. And another 3 hours and 10 minutes pa. So almost 4 hours drive na kami from Sweden. Then now, there's another 3 hours more. How are you, bata? Kaya pa today?
Can you put the camera on me, Mommy, please? Oh my
Camera
God.
is with you na. Yes. Huh?
I'm so famous that I need to have my face every day on the camera.
Ano daw? Okay na?
Yeah.
Should I stop now?
Yeah.
I will stop filming you.
Yeah.
And we're in the border. Dito kami we get stopped here on the way to Sweden. Pero pag ganito pabalik, wala na. Pabalik na kami ng Denmark. So wala nang stop. So the first toll fee that we need to pay before first bridge. First bridge. Oh my gosh.
It's like you're going from Saudi to Bahrain.
So which bridge is this?
Sweden to Denmark.
Sweden to Denmark. So the other long one is the Denmark bridge. Oh my god, that's very scary bridge. This one, it's okay for me.
Look there, oh.
Why?
The pillars.
Yeah, why?
That is, you can still see it.
It's very foggy.
So foggy.
Very foggy. You don't see anything.
How can the boat drivers
See
even
here,
drive?
this is the water. Hindi mo rin makita masyado yung water kasi nga magpapagi siya today.
Yeah.
So this bridge is okay for me. The other one, I feel a bit outside.
Yeah, how can the boat drivers even drive this much fog?
So
Yeah, the water is okay.
Hey, the other bridge is taller, right?
Yeah, it's higher.
Taller.
Yeah, it's higher.
That's not the proper
Not taller,
English.
it's a higher. No,
Oh, it's
taller is that. There's a bridge tall.
Yes.
It's higher. It's more
Even
high. The
high.
bridge is higher.
Ask your co-watchers, your bloggers.
So which one is correct, guys? The bridge is higher or the bridge is taller? Oh my god, that's the other one. Yun. So yun yung kadugtong nito. That's the one. So the last time when we passed here, it's already dark. Nung nakarating kami sa Sweden. So ngayon medyo maliwanag, yun lang. Mapag naman siya tsaka maulan. Pero this one, it's fine for me. The other one, it's a bit scary kasi it's a bit high. The bridge is a bit higher than this.
Yeah.
So we're almost in the middle. Ito na yun, yung
The wind is okay.
between Denmark and Sweden. So far the wind is okay, thank God. Because when we call yung
I know.
accommodation namin, yung mag-i-stay namin sa Denmark, gusto kami mag-i-stay, sabi niya parang may storm daw that side, so they might close the bridge, yung longer bridge. Ganun pala yun, kino-close pala nila yung siguro nga pag grabe yung storm, or they call it storm, sa atin bagyo. So kino-close pala nila yun pag ganun ng storm. So hopefully okay naman yung weather. So kasi conclusion nga kami nga hindi kami makakatawid ng papuntang Denmark. So no choice, we'll find some place there to stay kung close ang bridge. So hopefully it's done.
Here.
Yeah.
Grabe ang haba. What here?
Here.
Okay, so welcome to
Here.
Denmark.
Yes.
We're in Denmark already, but don't forget na we have
Yeah,
one
I
tunnel
know.
under the bridge, under the water. And then, yun pa nga pala, we have to pass pa yung long tunnel na under the water naman. And then, the other bridge.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's Maganda.
How many kilometers this bridge, Han? You think?
I don't know.
Like 5 kilometers?
No,
Maybe
Mommy,
a bit
how much
longer,
we
huh?
video,
A bit longer.
that's how much long it is.
Yeah, how many kilometers? That's my question. Ito na ulit kami sa tunnel. Papasok na kami sa ilalim ng tubig. tubig.
No more internet.
No more internet.
Lana.
Ayan ako makikita niyo sa map. It's all water.
It's so
So typically we're under the water.
Yeah.
Grabe naman.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh,
God.
guys, we're under the water right now.
And this is
Under the water.
a little bit creepy because it's a long tunnel. And you know, alam niyo guys, yung uugong yung tenga niyo. Ako ugong yung tenga ko.
Not
One
mine.
yung tenga.
No, not mine.
It's a long tunnel siya. So guys, ayan. Kung nakita niyo yung map na dinadaanan namin, ano siya, pool water. As in tubig lang siya.
We're seriously
So,
like
nandun
in
sa
the
ilalim.
middle of the sea. Oh my god.
Parang nasa middle. Pag nasa
Yeah, like,
diba in the Netherlands, you have also this kind of tunnel?
Yeah. It's not that long.
But not that long, yes.
No way it's that
This
long.
one is so long. Grabe naman. Galing ng engineering nila, ya. In fairness. This long, how many years before they do this one?
I don't know.
How long?
like seriously, how can they
So,
make
200
this
meters
underwater? Like, how can you do it underwater? Like,
200 meters more
I
before
think
we
you're
finish
talking
this
about
tunnel.
kilometers, not meters.
Okay.
That's meter.
Kasi in Dubai, they have also this tunnel, but not this long. This one, I think this is the first time.
it says
1,500
1,500 meters.
This is the first time I've been like this, naka-experience ng ganitong kahabang tunnel under the sea. No?
Yeah.
Quite experience.
Actually, the
But it's a bit
tunnel.
creepy.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So we reach here. Ang ganda ng apartment. May washing machine pa. Ang ganda ng bathroom. Ang laki ng room. And ang laki ng TV.
The next day.
So nandito kami ngayon sa different city ng Denmark. That's the name. RR Horsebaalek. RR. Ang hirap sabihin guys. Basta ito, nagagala ulit kami mag-ina. Kakatid lang namin kay Albert.
A few moments later.
No.
So where are we going?
Where are we going? To the home.
Germany, Bins. Oh no,
Bins.
versus Supercharger.
Going to Bins.
O mamaya na ako
Guys, look what I buy.
mamaya ako magbablog.
How's your feeling on the bridge?
Normal?
Are you anxious or scared?
No, it's not like the other one in Denmark.
So this bridge is okay for you?
Yeah, it's fine. There's no water, no?
There's a lot of water.
Yeah, but it's not like the one in
But
Denmark.
you don't
Pala, ano?
see the water. Oh, it's a
Guys,
nice
the weather
bridge.
is very, 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 very bad. It's like typhoon in my country, di ba? So, weather is bad.
Yeah,
This is
but
the
this is
bridge.
a bit normal for us from the Netherlands. We are used to this. Oh, there's a dock.
Yeah, it's not like a water, like
There's
water.
a wharf for a yacht or a marine navy boat. Cannot show you that because the windows are.
But alam nyo guys, yung ang higpit ng grip mo sa manibela kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Although Tesla, it's heavy car as per Albert because of the battery and this kind of things, right?
Yeah.